If you want to silence your Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're going to proceed to Sounds and Vibration. And then in here, we should be able to find three different sound modes. We have the standard sound mode, we have the vibrate mode, and if you want to silence your phone, you want to use the mute mode. Over here, we can also enable temporary mute, so the mute mode is going to be active for the selected amount of time. And besides that, you can also toggle the silence mode by going to the control center or quick settings. Over here we have this slider for the media volume level, and right next to it we have this speaker. If it's grayed out and crossed out, it means that your phone is now silenced. We can of course keep tapping in order to switch between all of these different modes that we have also seen in the sound settings. So we have the sound mode, vibrate, and this is the mute mode, so this is how we can silence our phone. Leave a like and subscribe.